I'm Jigmeet Singh. Uh, at present, I'm working as a representative of His Holiness the Dalai Lama and the Central Tibetan Administration for the Latin America countries. During my tenure as a manager of the Computer Resource Center in Dharamshala, uh, during in the beginning we don't have a broadband, or we have only dial-up internet connection, and also we do have a VSET from the ERNet of Government of India. So during that period, we have a very challenging time to face with the new technology, especially the internet. That time, internet is like a gold. So we have a limited people have access to the internet. By the time when we started having higher or better internet connection, we have more vulnerable from the Chinese uh, uh, attack. That time they are not very well sophisticated. We can test out the source of the email. We can test out the proper because that time they use their own IP address. Now it's completely changed because of the VPN and others technology. So we used to have a Trojan virus, and then sometime denial of service, which we call technically we call it DOS. I had to do the press list twice in 2002 and 2004. I think 2004 was because they are attacking mostly on our overseas office, and then the websites. Mm, they try to send a malicious script in our email in the name of His Holiness office, or yeah, some office of Tibet, or we do have some big conference like international conference for Tibet, or international conference for parliament. We call it a WPC meeting. So whenever we have a big conference, they try to attack in a month advance so that they will get all the information. My reaction toward the attack or the intuition of this virus, or yeah, this hackers, it's obviously it's a very surprise. No, I won't call it surprise. It was helpless because of we have a shortage of manpower. We have to depend mostly with the other expertise. Computer security, you can't guarantee 100%. Even a 1% does a malicious things in there from their workstation. We used to give training to the CTA staff, first how to use the Microsoft Office, then how to use the email securely. So because that time internet or this web browsing was very rare, and it's only accessible to one computer for per office. And also even the email, we have a maximum 2 year 3 email to the each department. It doesn't have a email account for everyone there. I think still we have I think still it's going on like this because we have around 150 something email for the Central Tibetan Administration. I don't think it has stopped our activities, or stopped our campaign, but it has slowed down because the communication is slow, and whenever we have a sensitive communication, we have to use fax at that time. So now the whole technology is changed, but it's become more risky and more dependent, and it needs a lot of money. And I'm sure now, eh, now the most difficult time is the smartphone. Now all the office administration, all the communication are done through your mobile. So how much secure that mobile is another question.